Guys, today we are going to be starting our end of the term project. Now, being a social studies teacher who is now teaching math all of a sudden, what I normally do in my social studies classes is like each lesson or each week, we have this really big question, and then we look at a bunch of different resources, and then we use those resources to answer that question. So, we're going to kind of do the same thing, except with math. We have this big question that we're going to be asking this week. Is college worth the cost? And we are going to be doing some math to come up with our data. Then we're going to use that data and we're going to figure out that question for yourself. There's no right or wrong answer to this question. This is a very personal question. For some people, college is worth it. For some people, college is not. So we are going to practice using some math in order to help us make some of these big decisions, like is college worth the cost? Oops. Okay. So here's what you're going to be doing. First, we're going to find a job off Indeed that does not require a college degree. We're going to calculate the estimated salary for that job. We're going to calculate the wage growth for that job, like the increase that you would be getting in pay each year, 5 years or 10 years. And then we are going to compare that information with a job that requires a 2 or 4 year college degree. Calculate the salary, the estimated wage growth, and then the estimated monthly payments on student loans for that degree, and using that information to make your decision to answer that question, is college worth the cost for you? Okay, so the assignment that we're going to be working on all week looks something like this. Okay, so here's the question you're going to be answering right here. You're going to write your answer right here. You're going to support your answer with 3 reasons. 2 of those 3 reasons need to be mathematically related. And I'll give you some examples once we get towards the end of our project. For now, we're going to go ahead and start gathering our evidence. You're going to go to, for today, you're just going to find the career that you would like. So you're going to go to Indeed.com and you're going to click this Find Jobs button. You can change where if you want to, like if you wanted to be, I don't know, somewhere crazy, go for it. But if you wanted to be somewhere local, you could just type in Buffalo, Minnesota. All right. And then for experience level, make sure that you filter it to this entry level positions. These would be positions that don't require like past training or anything like that. Pretty much once you get done with high school, you could go ahead and apply and get a job at one of these jobs. Go ahead and scroll through and look for a job that you like. Once you find one, let's say I decided I wanted to do this one. You're just going to open up this posting. And then just copy and paste that posting into your career. Ta-da! And that's all you got to do for the day. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. If you feel comfortable and would like to work ahead, you can, but I will provide step-by-step instructions for these other 2 spots under career. Have a great day, guys.